Though the NPP and BJP partnership did not work in the recently concluded Lok Sabha election, both the parties have made it clear that the alliance would continue. Cabinet Minister and NPP leader Rakam Sangma said that they are supporting the NDA government at the centre for the sake of development. Meanwhile, Cabinet Minister and BJP leader A.L. Hek asserted that the alliance would continue and there are no discussions about breaking the ties.
That's not the right, right? So because we are part of the NDA, so look, and the last, it is because we need the support of the government of India. So without the support of the government of India, nothing gonna happen in the state because we are revenue generation is very, very, very low. So therefore, for the sake of governance, so we are part of the NDA and we are still part of the NDA.
There is no relationship at this point between the BJP and NPP. We are together, we are there. Even the Honorable CM came to NDA meeting. He met our Prime Minister, he met all the ministers, which is, they met JP Nadda also. They have met everybody. The relation, they have strengthened the relation with BJP and NPP.
Nongpo MLA